Hello, so my name's Lauren. I recently became a client of Core Global Financial. I have been, for the last few years, working with multiple credit repair companies, and I have just not been successful with getting a couple of items off of my TransUnion and also my Experian. I signed up with Core Global Financial October 26th. And as of today, these are my results. With one of my with one of the bureaus we have been working on, which was TransUnion, which I still don't know how they did it, but they did. And I just want to show you some of the details. I have been for years have been trying to get, in particular, 2 accounts off my credit report. One of them being a Huntington bank and also a Capital One bank. That account I have been trying to get removed. Within such a short period of time, both accounts were removed. A hard inquiry was removed as well. And I'm still in shock. I still almost don't believe what I'm seeing, but within a matter of 2 weeks, my score, less than that. We're talking less than a week. Core Global Financial was on it, ready to rock and roll instantaneously. And within less than a week, my score shot up 57 points. So the proof is in the pudding. The results speak for itself. And I am just grateful that a sponsored ad came my way, because I would have had to have waited till 2026 for this to fall off. And some of the moves and things I want to make, I just felt that that was too long. And Core Global Financial definitely came through for me on that. So, and then here we have, there's just an app that, a tool I use, from Smart Credit. So, every 30 days, I'm able to get a free report of, all 3 bureaus. And here we have, my updated TransUnion score, still working on the Experian, but I am super hopeful based on what they have done for me in this short amount of time, with my TransUnion score, that thing will shoot up in no time. I'm extremely grateful for Core Global Financial, what they've done for me. They're helping change people's lives, and they definitely know their stuff. So thank you again. Really, really, really appreciate it. I'm still in shock.